Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. I'm sonamvaghanimua and I'm back with another video for you guys. As you all know, this is lockdown time, quarantine time, and everybody is sitting at home waiting to go out, waiting for this thing to get over. I thought, why not make a tutorial for summer, because obviously it's April and by the time we all go out it's going to be peak summer. So I'm here with another tutorial for summer makeup, which is going to be dewy and fresh and quick. So if you want to see how to create a summer makeup look, then keep watching. Now I've already prepped my skin. I've cleaned my skin and moisturized it. I'm going to use a little bit of Strobe Cream by MAC, going all over my face with it. Next I'm going to be doing my brows, applying some brow gel. We're going to let this dry. I generally don't wear too much makeup. I work with concealers for myself. I first color correct. The idea is to not wear too much product on your face during summer, as it's humid and you don't want to be sweating and getting your product off. It's okay to leave a little bit of imperfections because we're all human. It's okay to be human and embrace everything that we are. I'm just going to even out the skin tone wherever required. I generally like to work with my fingers for myself. Take some powder and set everything. As you can see, I haven't covered my eyelids because I'm going to go over with some eyeshadow anyways. I don't want to put too much product over there because if I do, then it starts creasing because I have extremely hooded eyes. I think I'm going to do my brows first. I'm using a brow pencil. I'm going to take some eyeshadow, a round fluffy brush, taking like a slight shimmer powder. Now like a matte brown, go all over the eyelid. I'm taking like a pencil brush, same shade, going underneath. We're done with the eyeshadow bit. Now I am going to curl my lashes. I am not going to put false lashes because who has the time? And let's be honest, we want to get our makeup on and get out the door. Sorry for blocking your view. Now instead of a brown kajal or a black kajal, we're going to be using a skin colored shade, something like this. Okay. Now for the blush, I am going to be using Calypso Coral by Bobbi. Before I do the blush, I think I'm gonna do the highlighter. I am using Hush by MAC. Okay. I like to use cream products on my cheeks more than powder for some reason. I don't know why. I think it looks more pretty and natural. We can use the same thing on the lips. I will go slightly heavy-handed to blush because I like that flushed cheek look, like you've been out in the sun and you're completely flushed even though you're sitting at home doing your makeup. Makeup deceits, makes you look prettier than you actually are. Damn. Now I have pigmented lips, so I need to use a lip liner to kind of cancel out the darkness. If you don't have pigmented lips, then you can straight away use the same product on your lips and be done with it. I will have to use a lip liner, and I am using Spice by MAC. I'm using the same product on the lips. If you like, you can go ahead and put some lip gloss as well, which I think I'm gonna do. Right at the center. And I think we're done. Comb your hair, change your clothes, and head out. So yeah, I think it's a pretty easy and clean and fresh look. Looks nice and dewy. So yeah friends, this is the finished look. I hope you enjoyed the tutorial. I hope you liked the look. If you did, then please give me a thumbs up and subscribe to my YouTube channel. You can follow me on my Instagram account, which is sonamvaghanimua. Do follow me there, and I'll see you guys very soon. Bye bye, take care. Turning truth to lies, gotta get up, stop wasting time.